Hi everyone, my name is Chris Mitchell. I'm a managed service consultant here at ProVal Tech. Today I just want to do a quick video on how to set up Veeam Service Provider Console for maintenance mode so you can better handle rebooting and your internal infrastructure if you're running your own Cloud Connect and SOBR repositories. So let's get into it. Once you're logged into Veeam Service Provider Console, you're going to click on Configuration, and there's actually two maintenance modes to set up. So the first one over here on the left, click on Settings, click on Maintenance Mode, and this here will put your actual VSPC portal into maintenance mode. So if you have end clients or other technicians that are logging into maintenance into the VSPC portal, this will prevent them from being able to log into the portal. You will only be able to access it through a local host address, so make sure you have access to the console server if you do need to turn it back off. The other area is actually your Cloud Connect servers. So if you click on Cloud Connect servers, in here, you would select your server and drop it into maintenance mode. Where this comes into play is if you have to reboot or make any changes to your SOBR or Cloud Connect servers, you ideally want to pause and hold all your incoming data streams to your service provider and Cloud Connect and SOBRs. With newer SOBR setups and REFS drive types, just rebooting a server or cutting off that stream without stopping it gracefully can cause those chains to become corrupted or unusable and cause you to have to restart a new upload. So especially if you're offsiting a larger data set to your Cloud Connect area, you are going to want to pause it nicely, and this will allow you to do that. So this is critical if you're managing your infrastructure with an RMM or other patch management, is to either put it into a mode where you can do it manually, where you can set this maintenance mode, go patch and reboot your SOBRs, Cloud Connect, Cloud Gateways on your own schedule, or leverage PowerShell commandlets to have your RMM drop Veeam into maintenance mode prior to patching, to patch it, restart things, and then have the PowerShell to bring it out of maintenance mode and back into normal operation. Included with this video, we'll have a link to the Veeam knowledge base that does detail a little bit more detail about what maintenance mode does and how to manage it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. We share a new video each week to share our knowledge on ConnectWise Automate, Manage, or pretty much any other managed services product that you guys use. To learn more about what we do, please visit provaltech.com. There's a link in the video and in the description below. Have a good day.